Yes, I salute my country people. Today, the number 14 day inside September 2020, we una countryman Junior Okanasiri Clovis, they come live for tell una with a message where I title am The Burning Down of Kwakwa. For people to know why they burn Kwakwa and who burn Kwakwa and where to make am they burn Kwakwa and for side Kwakwa day. May everybody understand today. Because people talk about kwakwa, they don't understand what it mean. Most of the diaspora, they don't mean no kwakwa, they don't even understand period kwakwa day and wait to be happen. So they say they born kwakwa today, would cry. So today I come with the message what title am the burning down of kwakwa. Wait for say kwakwa day, wait to make am the born kwakwa, wait to cause the born kwakwa and why the born kwakwa. So today, the 14th of September 2020. All my country people and everybody may listen to me like an eyewitness, like a pikin where it be there among those people where they make the burn that village. Una go hear from me. I beg as you join me, una countryman Junior, press your share button because through that share button today, it will educate many people and many people will understand wetin it happen with the born kwakwa and it will educate more people and it will sensitize our body for understand and the people will know. So before we go straight to the message, I will just get some few audios due to the situation where it happen for Bamenda, make una listen and una hear them. Then after we talk.
Now na boy Prince Jeka. As soon as hear this message what you do and today for the 14th of September 2020, make sure say before you even go further for hear the what you want talk, make sure say you don't share this audio for at least 20 people. Tomorrow na a patriotic lockdown.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Patriotic lockdown for the bikes them way they don't seize them for inside Bamenda and way they don't ban them for Bamenda. So tomorrow we get a solidarity lockdown will be announced by the president of this interim government, President Samuel Sako. So at the one time you inform everybody, Papa picking them. Say when a boy for merciful truth, Prince Jeka, my soldiers them for down, my brothers all they did for down. I the one when I inform families, friends, brothers, everybody. Say tomorrow now lockdown. May nobody not come out for outside. May we stand in solidarity with our brothers, then they don't seize their bikes. So may everybody get the information for down. My fighters, when I say that this solidarity don't make a way today money the rich now. Now through this solidarity we don't bring all the youths, then we bring our mommy papa together. Where today when they get weighty, we work hard for year, when they see for down, chief not taken for this revolution. Now na boy Prince Jeka they tell us so, and so we get for continue because we are motto for this revolution. Now all for one, one for all. So share this message to all man, all fighters, all mama, all papa picking them, everybody around you, your neighbor, everybody get for no. Say tomorrow now lockdown, may nobody no come out. So as this goes down, the finish today, tomorrow now lockdown. Thank you, mama, me, my papa, my brother, them. Now, na boy Prince Jeka, victory is near. God bless you.
Yes, at the continue the second one. Now listen, press our share button.
See, I don't see all this one confusion when we make up for here. We want to be very, very careful. Nobody in the situation this one will take and go take cheap fame. Because this is not how to approach this issue. We want to begin to consult.
Sorry.
We want to begin to consult each other before the lockdown. And if you fail to consult each other, then you are pushing us to a situation that will be dangerous. We will not take decisions then. We will not consult each other because when one thing say this one strong past this one. Then after when I begin create more confusion because when I want get us to a situation where we start fighting ourselves. That is very clear. I do not want to see this. I don't want to hear about this. All this and so on. Go and tell that to all these guys. Yeah. That if Ayaba or ADF, they were good enough to discuss issues, they would have called the IG or whatever come and let them discuss things before they took that decision they took last time on the lockdown. It is not now that you come here and you begin to make this noise here. This is wrong. This is absolutely nonsense. Totally nonsense. Because we have come to consensus. After talking to each other, communicating, but everybody look like a little gap, an opportunity for criticize this one, for talk negative. and to ruin the revolution. And what happens? There will be problem. You want to start fighting each other on the ground. This has to stop. Look at here. This has to stop.
Good.
If you people are
Bamenda people, one more
why
here.
you people cannot sit together in diaspora and sort this out and sort this issue out before going out. Take on a time.
Yes.
Because no one push me, they go begin start fight among themselves for ground. People don't kill them. Nonsense.
Good. More here the last one.
Muna take on a time. Which means a collaboration. For Banso, now I'm making a key to speaking them. Now I'm making a key eye for him. Now I'm making a key all brave soldiers that woman get them. Now all the confusion. That is confusion. But it is nothing for you guys to sit down and listen and collaborate. Any man shows it, anyone one shows it, he know and pass in this man versus this person. This one shows it, this one did strong pass this person. What kind of thing is this? Are you taking also fools? Ask and see, ADS gets supporters for ground. IG gets supporters for ground.
When I press my share both to my people.
What message you want to send us down? Say make people go begin kill themselves.
And they don't kill them already.
Are you telling me that Chris Anu is not for the revolution? Are you telling me that Ayaba is not for the revolution?
They don't kill themselves.
When we for ground for the revolution, all of us are for this revolution. But this one is nonsense for diaspora must stop. I define gun for these people for diaspora. When I see me.
Thank you very much, my country people. When I don't get the audio way it come out from inside the so-called Facebook interim government, the so-called people that the leads una. Yeah, solidarity lockdown. It means a lockdown forever. You don't even know when it go stop and when it go end. I know what will happen. Bamenda people, I need to insult una. I need to insult nobody. They will be the most dullest human being that don't ever see for the ground. Why I talk so? If you listen to this kind of audio, the so-called people when they tell una say, "Mo una she done for una house, una she done for una house," they suffer on herself. Now then that the query, they fight themselves. They don't even know what to do. They don't even get an agreement. They don't even get a program. They don't even get nothing. They don't even think about our future. They don't even think about our happiness. They don't care. But you know what will happen? After all, they make that lockdown and will make the people they die. But you know how many don't go down? What's that grandpa there? They wipe them. So they feel like they don't wipe them well. They are begin to overdull to the highest level. And by many people now over stupid. I tell now. This rubbish, no, for Southwest. Go see Boya today, so you talk me and you. If I lie you, pay your transport, come up and then go Boya. Because Southwest man do wise. Boya man do wise. He knows another again for una. So they saw myself inside house. They say because of Okada people. I want to tell all the Okada boys them today. If the Okada people be serious, if the Okada boys be an Amber boy them, they don't protest against Amber. Because they know why they bound the Okada. They know why they bound the Okada. Because most of the Okada people are Amber boys them. If they carry gun, they give information for Amber. See what will happen when they shoot this policeman for Bamenda these few days ago. You know, say due to that when they shoot one policeman, they need to be shoot to one boy. When an Amber fighter, he carry small kunkungo, they want to be give small soup. He go now for inside person in the house of Bamenda. Go shit down for the man in the house. They kill him. He general come out from nowhere. He come out visit. He can't sleep for that very house. They kill him. But now one black leg, just give that information. They wait a boss make when a grandpa, he can't enter. They give kumkum without no soup. He just sleep flat. Take it, AK. The meter that one where they don't injury. He beg saying no give kumkum. He beg the car and go police. Wait it happen. He don't leak all secret. It is preach now le pastor for church. The minute you don't carry that information, go play that all the day. We wipe them. They keep that so-called play. They make that their dirty ammo carry. They wipe them. Give the kunku down on soup. They walk them. Very dull people picking them. My people Bamenda. No one for suffer because they're stupid. If Okada people they be serious, at least Okada Union get a president. Where if they be serious, they know say they be ignorant. No. I mean, they be innocent. May they protest. They have a union. They get a president. What the president they do? If she don't because wait, all Amber boys now Okada people. Me, I've been an Okada man. Me, I should done for you. Majority, I say all. So 50 Amber boys now Okada people. Now they reality that way they. And through that bike, na their brother, na their friend them. Either you know it on the go school, or you know it if you are quarter, or you know way when I chop together. Na your colleague them, na your friend them. So the boy they know them. So anything they face them, na their cup of tea. When they don't decide say no, they don't see this stuff, I don't plenty, they denounce this rubbish and save their lives. Because na stupid and dull. At this moment, they that because I will suffer. Una one for suffer. Come for boya. Can see enjoyment. Just pay only 2 weeks for boya. Just come. Goes down to the taxi, the work, they feel free. The rubbish not there for boya. Because so those man do why. Now all of them are stupid and dull. And then in some man bed. Any person will listen to the kind of audio. You know, say Bamenda man is a very dull human being on earth. You know, get one eye brain cell. It's a just a challenge where I give you, maybe put them for your brain. I don't insult you, but if you listen to the audio, you see how the so-called frustrated fool for diaspora, they manipulate picking them. They see talk rubbish. You not even get one eye for come together. IG the talk it own, AJ the talk it own, Duane the talk it own, they fight themselves. So you go hear that kind of order, that kind of talk, you remain. People they protect you. What a madness. You just can't talk on our life will suffer. So when the union president for Okada Union, he know he ready for go. He know play government, he get mayor day. He know very well for go meet up and STO. Governor, they shit down for address the issue. They protest against the Amber boys. They go leave the work their bike. Because majority of Amber fighters matter the simple truth now Okada people. And all the Okada people they know them. And they let that way he did. And then the talk say go can they know that they talk. All them they bother them. If they need to carry gun, they either give information. So anything you want Bamenda, now Okada people they give that information because now they are brother them. Most of Amber boy they come for town, carry right Okada, they say they run Okada when a very bad boy them, they carry information too. So you know if you differentiate who be Amber, who be Okada man. So all Okada people now Amber fighter them. So you now right for differentiate yourself from the Amber boys them, by denouncing them and live a good life. Or now remain with so and suffer. And they feel like for a chance. Me I feel very badly, but we need to make them understand so on a right. And then we see how many 3-eye, 4-eye boys them go stand the whole union for Okada. They torment you now be stupid and dull. You don't get one eye brain cell. You now remain the suffer. Thank you very much. Yeah, I just can't look at a light to wait till it happen on ground. Mona here on a Siam. When I press on a share button, me I go now for the part for my message proper. I will first play this video and then we'll talk and enlighten some things. Maybe people understand. When I see the video, this video, it come off for 22 September 2017. Now in this my show. Now after I play the video, we'll talk. Now Baba Kidate, Northwest. Thank you very much. I don't see that video. Now that video so lead to the burning down of Kwakwa. Mateuna. This video, when Seko Ayok Tabe, he called himself a Facebook president for Ambazonia. It be stand up on the 22 of September 2000. September 2017. Declare say Ambazonia is a free country. Ambazonia is a country. That statement alone are only declaration of war. Mateuna. That's already declaration of war. You be expecting the Cameroon military shidon or the government for the lookout. No. Not already declaration of war. But automatically, the Cameroon government be lookout. It just shidon because the Cameroon government don't get time for Facebook. They be get time for Facebook. And most of all people talk say, I may be demi for deo, I may be demi for deo. If you look the kind of massive population where they for here, what I don't show you now, you go know where to talk. Now, I don't blame the Ambazonian propagandists for diaspora. I don't blame them, the terrorism. I blame now what so-called leaders on ground, what so-called mayors, what so-called parliamentarians, what so-called governors, what so-called chiefs, what so-called teachers, what so-called lawyers, what so-called doctors, when they fix the lamb baby book. I want to ask you, first I want to be there by that time. For that be there. Most of them, they should don't quiet. They don't get in time because most of the politicians then, they will look and say, it be a political gain for them. They will know so when they stand up, so they will get some political gain, they will step on people their blood for achieve their political ambition. They will feel say, if we come to reality, that one is show say our leaders, they fail us. They are incompetent. Why actually they be incompetent? Because I know if we allow the whole parliamentarian mayors, we call ourselves our mayors, we go leave small rats, le tapam ivo, small rats, like come say, if you come for interview for you, it no fit be a private secretary, it no fit tire less for sure. You leave them, it takes your population. Propaganda, lies telling, tostigate them with lies, let them out, send the youth them out for go die for their early grave. Because most of them get selfish interest, all the politicians them. The person like Honorable Weber, even now parliamentarian, he be support them. He be support them because he feels he go get a political gain inside of it. But after all, thank God, it backfire. Yes, that's the good thing that way with me. It backfire. He turned an Anglophone, killing Anglophone. Because of naive, because of greedy heart, we get that for Francophone, our brothers. We feel say when our brother bring that kind of big idea, or we be very stupid and dull. We just carry on by longer throat. Now the pull for the level of this. Now longer throat pull for here. Because most of we will be see the reality. But none of people stand up for sensitize the boys and for talk for them. We now call ourselves our leaders. I get people the way I give them cafe. L'Enkambe, today Enkambe not getting nonsense. Their parliamentarians will stand up, they talk for the youth then. Anyone they want for you, they wipe them. Who's Enkambe there today? Fine. They enjoy good lives. We get Boya. Ekemba Party people they want to talk today. If Ekemba Party not stand up at that time like a leader, strong for Amazon at their back, Boya not for enjoy the peace where they enjoy today. Because he was a leader. He be understands everything as scam. Another way, he be use the harsh way and go to today. We are enjoy today. We are enjoying the hard work of that man, the peace today. Most of una, those are live day fine today. Fosa una be there. Una call ourselves our leaders there. Una fail we. That's a disgrace. You should not be incompetent because most of them get greedy mind. Una sit down. Una comfort zone. Say after all. We'll make them, we can't get some small political this, that. Then I will see some kind of foolish people then, where they talk to the doctor, this, that. Say, do I can bring peace for Cameroon? First time I 2017. Where that time, Amba be make propaganda, be sent for them for Bush. You know how many people radicalize with this video? Send them for Bush. Picking they pay money, say, Amba don't get country. May they go enter Amba army. Where to lead to them? To their grave. After all, that was Langato, where to grave with today. Now we kill ourselves, give we independent. See what happened for Batuboro, where they wipe 5 people. They want to go bury her. Wipe woman, wipe Piki, wipe Papa. Amba fighter. Now they're independent that. Now they're independent that for we. What a madness. I don't want someone to see them. And for talk, they say no. They be incompetent. For allow a small rats, they enter to them. They stand on Facebook, propaganda them. Una should not be there for the years. So we know so not be all man. But most of the our leaders them. Force you be there. What you be do? You should not you quiet. Because of what we get. Most of the parliamentarian mayors they support this thing. One example, Rebel Weber. They be supporter for the beginning. Because they be no say they will get some benefit out of it because of longer truth. They simply language today. Now example that for we. I just want to make everybody understand the dynamic of what will happen on ground. So make some man not talk say no. And maybe beef for day, and maybe do this, that. What you be do? The question I say, wait, you as a parliamentarian, what you be do for your subdivision? What you be do for your division? Nothing. You like a senator, what you be do? Nothing. You should not for your own day, enjoy your life. After all, you have a boat they will give you. Your people are dying down there. You be Siam, you know, so you be educated. Listen, who let me go with school? Yes. That will be Siam, so it will be very easily for manipulator. If you see this video, if you radicalize any picky for Senator Bush, don't now be go down, maybe book them. What will be do? Nothing. But today on the Sakato grammar. When I leave that thing, I want to make many people understand what really happened. I think I can tell that today. I will go now for the message proper. Wait, make them the born Kwakwa and why they born Kwakwa and when they be born Kwakwa. Kwakwa na a village under Meme division. Under Kwakwa na a village where they for Meme division. They under Mbonge subdivision. Kwakwa de na for Mbonge subdivision. Where Mbonge subdivision they under Meme division. So na for the way Kwakwa village. And when you know what Kwakwa village I go direct you. When you enter Kumba, reach Kumba, so from Okada Park Bonge Road to Kwakwa na 1,000 francs for dry center road be dey fine before the struggle. 1,000 francs. From Kumba to Bole 1,500. Now, Kwakwa, when you come out Kumba, you reach Kake 1, Kake 2, a small Ekombe, big Ekombe, you enter Ash. After big Ekombe, you enter how they call the village before you enter Lobo, Combine Mission. After big Ekombe, Combine Mission, Lobo, Ndikoro, Combine Town share boundary with Kwakwa. Now Kwakwa that today, they want to locate Kwakwa. So people they talk about Kwakwa don't even know. Now Kwakwa will be in a place where the so-called Amazonian propaganda terrorists in diaspora they be used and where they be already struggle for turn the youth them. They born Kwakwa exactly on the 2nd of January 2018. Yes, something like that. January 2018. Instead January 2018, they born Kwakwa. When they don't galvanize the youth them, radicalize the youth them, they will be on ground. Or this one have video 2017. Will be radicalized, picking themselves for bush. Picking they pay money for enter Amber fight. Picking they pay money for enter. Picking they say they go Nigeria and say go enter Amber this thing. I mean, when a fake, when I be no. After all, when they come back, can start that fight for Kwakwa. Why did they choose Kwakwa? They be choose Kwakwa because Kwakwa na a very good strategic village for fight. Kwakwa then have a center. Because when you come out in Mbonge, you can't say Kwakwa, they show Kwakwa. So, we are left hand, when you fall for your left hand for any side for Kwakwa, you go boss either for Boa Bakundu, you take Bumbele, you take Dienin, Bafaka, Bekura. If you go right for Kondo, if you come go boss right for Mufakoba, left for up through that road. When you fall for your right hand, you come out Bai, Marumba, you boss come out back for Munyenge, Fue Bakundu, you come out right for this here, Moyuka, right for Boya. If you take that very road again, you boss right from Zian Bamuso, you go Nigeria. So Kwakwa be like strategic get away. If they be whole and say they want to fight for the when anything happen, when means because I'm an office stand military and shoot and run. Where the body will fit for enter inside village and run go hide their head. So they use Kwakwa as a battlefield because they be tell we say waiting. The diaspora they be tell we say may we will not fear. So they already get independent because waiting. When be show 2017, so they already declare Amazonian a country. So international body already declare Amazon as a country. We don't need to go train army starter. So they be tell we and we believe them. Because that time Amazon be strong for Facebook. Propaganda be strong. No man be fit for stand. Whatever they blame all the leaders there. Today, when they be easy to galvanize this really youth them who stand up there for that place. The first man be then some army man for a condo when a marine he be drive Klando, drive transport condo Kumba. Mawe no Total Kumba market for Kumba market that Total where for corner that around Ocean City Radio along that round so that man like park that motor for day so some pa he like parking motor for day again I think Carina is something like that where they use and work in transport it be na army man so when that time we don't reach well before even that time we be carry the army be carry an attack for Kombone town between Kombone and Ndikoro where na liver they make liver pretend they say be thief man when they come for that military then for day we show them say wait Amber fighter Amber shall already come so when liver be reach for that place they start beat liver they say it be thief man when that set up so as that man one bend down we say make pull liver handcuff liver be even move knife he took him for the throat cutter that other one they open fire they run enter off a bush they tell them say Amazonian fighter they don't come when it be happen they go back. You be able to catch one Okada guy for that very night. That Padaman get lucky up to I also forget nine name. We sometimes if die say that day, but God save you, they leave you go. Because immediately that incident happen, it come off. You know, so that time motor Okada they pass for that road, even if I mean o'clock night, no problem. They catch you. Unfortunately, they leave you that night, it go. Usaka ton, inside Kwakwa village, ton, we come on nake. go take chief for Nake village. I mean, sorry, chief Ongongo for Njanga. The Karan can't kill him for Nake. Go Nantawe chief be get some die for Kwakwa Day for inside that market, Kwakwa market that road, Ekolama Motambi road. If you get program for day. So a boy picking become on when a B, that one be get lucky. Fine. Put it for them. Mommy they beg. Say no. They beg Mona no kill the picking because the papa don't die. He can't bring the papa and no afford for carry the two die body, no make no nothing. Mommy they beg the plate. That have been a bube. The control cause shalom na carpenter for Kwakware. Around Kwakwa market day for around so for corner. We get Kwakwa by your right hand. We get a workshop for day. They call a bube na shalom when I rename that. Every day the commander for that time. We divide them. And they work other work. So when they saw that boy, they telling me go remove oil clothes for his skin. You know me up to 2-3 days, they turn the whole village. The whole Papa village support. They saw the glad say, oh, I saw the wrong capital, they glad, they glad, they throw money, they give chop, they give things, they hide the boy them. That way I'm in Capital do small this thing, they hide us no play that body. They say, no, if you come out in that area, no, if you want to see them, when I'm born and picking them for that village. Born and bred picking them for that village. When all those things they be happen, that I'm a man, you come out, come back, come. That money time, we don't go load the car, break the motor, put it for down, move all passenger. Take the man, put them for down. The man run, they follow it, they carry go backside. They tell a woman, say, may woman go tell for army, they will come back, say, Amba soldier, they don't hold in massa. When la Republic army, they don't hold them. May go give that report for day. For day, they execute it, they kill it. For back, that house, they will corner, so they kill it for back, they throw for day. They take them to start on top with them. You know me how many days army enter. With that's what I be terrorist waiting. More do all these things them so that they go seek make international community recognize it. So that they don't get refugees, they go get IDP them for use and the propaganda. So they be terrorists will start hiding for that house and they shoot army. When army become, no if you confront them, then that house will be like a shield. You hide for war as an army come, bam, bam, you back like that's what will happen. Shooting. Will be hiding for that houses there. So those people they come and they ask us, what's the body in day? The whole Kwakwa village be denied, so they don't pay the body day. You see ambassadors national na because they see belief for that propaganda for diaspora, so they already get country. They tell say more shake, say more no fear. So when they burn the whole Kwakwa, say no care, they go build and back. Ambassador be live, so they go build the whole that village. They go do. They be showing some. I say I know if you see that picture, so now for we they show how Kwakwa go be. It's Kwakwa be now one of the highest town in Paris. So we can't get social media decorate and say now we are so Kwakwa go be in future. More no fear. So we don't bring up propaganda. We start the fight for day. They hide for that house and they shoot army. Army look and say no, it be difficult for them for chasing boys. They decide start burn those houses for Kwakwa. When a Cameroon minute to burn the houses. They decide to start burn those houses because normally by international law, when terrorists fight for any place or if you harbor terrorists for your house, they get right for burn the whole house, demolish them, chakara put them down because that house the harbor terrorists. So they hide for all those houses they shoot military. Now when I say military, they burn those houses because those houses they be our target and be our shield. I will use them against the military. When they pass with their motor, they need one shoot. We just come also. If we pull 10 people this side, 10 people this side, that time they keep blocking their motor. That back people the one for off or so they call them. Yeah, boom. The bad will take like 3-4 for bang motor. Boom. That's what we keep doing. The one comes out, should not for your boss on the other side. You say all the only to the whole that village. From that shooting, my country people, waiting happen. We lost a lot of people inside Kwakwa. We lost youth them when a stray bullet carrier because of us, the Amba picking them. Because of the failure of our so-called leaders then. We start do all the atrocities inside Kwakwa. We carry kind atrocities inside Kwakwa. Kunkumize people inside Kwakwa. Meaning to target me to shoot inside Kwakwa. So we need to be angry, to be vexed. So okay, since we're all the village, we support this team. You know the 1 minute chase picking if you catch it picking them. They decide to burn the houses then. So because they use the houses then, we hide for inside. So the physical when they burn those houses, they will not get play for hide again. So tell us how burn those houses then. The diaspora call we say more no worry, more continue. You know fair burn Kwakwa for 1 day. They use more than close to 1 week burn Kwakwa. They say more no worry. Tell the burn Kwakwa the first burn, the few houses burn for road. We'll be over the hide for day. We'll go back, we'll call, they call it for opposite, more no fear, more fight. Mo make Kwakwa battlefield. Mo no go for no village. Mo make Kwakwa battlefield. C'est me burn the whole Kwakwa. Me no okay. Me burn am. So tell them the burn that Kwakwa. We still come back again. She shoot that army the village. So army just vex and start burn the whole village. The roast am is so down level. And the thing sweet me so fine why they burn Kwakwa. I like them because most of them are them. Most of the papa they be supported. May they burn the village because they be the whole week. Because they be fit for show with that time. You know for grease for the kind of mess so they be today. So I like how they born and because it set example for any village where they say keep Amber up to now. So no, if you keep Amber for your house now, you know you're gonna terrorists. And the rest that way they. So when they born on the first day, we leave them. We come back again every day for that place. We can shoot military them. We know they leave them for day. The small part there will be that Motambi road for market where they go through by Marumba side. We see good hard to get shoot army them for that very place. You see, come on again, got the born and again, so just first born the whole that village. Now, why that way they make now? Why that way happen? They born Kwakwa. They born Kwakwa now because of say we the Amber boys we start fight military, we hide for that houses we shoot military. My country people lost their lives. Mommy they die, Papa they die, young boy they die. We lost people. They burn people in the inside house because of our carelessness, because of our atrocities. Now, why that would be born that Kwakwa? Now, they have to be glad. So they don't accomplish their mission. They use most of those pictures them, use them for international committee them. They can seek asylum, use up pictures for die body them. Say they commit genocide when a BB life and the BB propaganda lies telling. So when they do as they tell say wait, all the youth there for that village, when they not join Amber, you be say they be no man. So we make them everybody you want to be an Amber fighter at that time. So when all these things happen, when they burn the whole that village by our own atrocity, the way that we cause and the burn Kwakwa. So when I not to say wait, now Amber make them the burn Kwakwa because say wait, we be start hide for the houses them, and because say wait, the civilian population be the support we support. So then to they bear the consequences for pay for carbon terrorists. Now their own payment that way they pay. But we don't know what will happen after all that way military born Kwakwa. And the so-called people that be full we say international committee go see am give we independent for 1st October 2018 say we begin make at the burn those houses then. The so-called international body, the UN, still give Cameroon close to 70% of the budget where they hold national dialogue. Now the losses. Now we. But now, I want to tell Cameroon government, say the strategy where they use them for burn Kwakwa was a very wrong strategy. Why me I talking a very bad strategy? Burning Kwakwa, maybe people solve anything. That strategy when military use them, I repeat them again, for advise the military and the government for tell them say that strategy where they be use them for burn Kwakwa and burn some villages it was a very wrong strategy because one, it lead to many radicalized boys, for radicalize more boys and put them for bush instead. That's what it happen. The amount of Amber fighter the way army be shoot them inside Kwakwa fight where they be lost their life. Now very small minor. The one where that accident when they burn those houses, they radicalize and send them for bush. It plenty. Ma tell now. Each house they burn for Kwakwa be get one Amber. Nearly the whole youth for that Kwakwa be join Amber. Will be there for more than how many? More than 1,000. So for me, for tell Cameroon government, say wait, the strategy will be been a very wrong strategy for burn those houses. Because that's how burn those houses, it radicalize many youth that put them for bush and carry gun. If Cameroon government will look for other means, not burning issue, it will make this thing will be for this level. So that burning issue, it radicalize plenty of these picking them, send them for bush. Because now, take us a rope on your ass, sometimes maybe you amber you. You don't get clothes to wear them. You don't get shoe. You don't get chop. You don't get none of your money all born. Everything about your life don't born. You expect say waiting. Amber already get people on ground when they finish carry other propaganda and lies telling. Instigate the youth them. They never get no choice than for join. They never get no choice than for join because that time Amazon be strong on Facebook. And I want to make a mention Cameroon government be very, very weak in communication. Cameroon government gets 0% for communication. But the simple truth that and the weakness of Cameroon where me today like a pikin being a victim of that scam where I tell them today as a solution, as a way forward to bring peace for this country. One thing, the day where Cameroon government fail for get communication with the picking them on ground, with the commoners on ground, that day they give Ambazonian upper hands for succeed. Yes. Now, whatever if you follow some speech around 2018, where Mark Grata will make and talk and say, wait, no man for Cameroon no fit ever challenge you when it comes to social media. Say it be big boy with social media because with the Cameroon government weak in communication. I still want to tell the government about weak for communication. The very day when Cameroon government start decide to pay attention for diaspora, that day they fail. That day they lead this struggle to the highest level it's about to lead today. Because if Cameroon government will get a good communication with the people on ground, tell them why this thing did happen, tell them why this they burn these houses, or they be change that strategy to different aspects, enough will lead to this mess up to now. So I want to tell the government, seriously, the government is too weak for communication. If you fail to talk with the commoners on ground, the day you will never have peace in this country. And that is the reality I tell now. Take it or you leave it, that's the truth. Any man with the Komoka talks about I want to bring peace, I'm like thief man. Man tell now. They know if you bring them, they define a chop. They define a money. What's that be there 2018, 16? What's that be there? What's that be there for 16, 17? What's that be there? They stay. I want to tell the government, say, wait. When we now pay attention for the people on ground, get a direct communication, improve on our communication with the people on ground, sensitize the people, talk to the commoners, because this struggle, this nonsense, be carried out by the commoners on ground, not those politicians, minister, no be not them. Now that poor mommy, that poor papa, that poor sister, that poor picking me, I'm a poor boy, I come from a poor background. Yes, I be suffer picking me, but be pushed as I go die. But even that be suffer, I be struggle for friend on my own. Yes, now the commoner they who carry am. Now some minister can carry the gun, no. Now some politician can carry the gun, no. Now who? Now poor that picking they can carry that gun. That's poor mommy picking them. Where they be feel say, they be feel like say they be dead their own because Cameroon government fail for make this picking them, make they understand say they na their own. They fail for make us say wait, many boy there, many mommy don't say no to the government they will be. Because Cameroon government be very zero. I talk against say wait, zero in communication. Now, why they lead to this thing up to now? And the second part again, that when they start born Okada, it radicalized many youth, put down for struggle. Now, what I look at say, most of Okada people are amber fighters. Why? Because most of these people they be angry. Like the police gendarmerie for road. I be telling my history. Me, I be feel be convinced because wait, I'm a poor boy. I don't get person to cry for me. I don't get minister. I don't get politician. I don't get this for my family. I be suffered on my own. So Polyman will do me that kind of thing for road where I be next anger in my mind for ye or gendarme. So any person be tell me say wait to Clovis, take the gun or you fight. Cameroon government will do in a country. All the nonsense will stop people doing for road. I be fit for be convinced because the government be fail for communicate with me for many I understand so wait. There is a way I can channel my problem. There is a way I can do things not to carry violence, gun and color. So I blame the government because the government failed in communication. The government to be weak in communication. And that strategy just have burn houses and it radicalized many of people and for good. But I thank God the Cameroon government understand. They don't realize those strategies being a wrong one. They turn them back to different angles. Now what I look at say today, they need to burn those houses again. Because they don't understand. So doing that, it provoke situation. And wait till it be lead many picking them again that tell us how born by them. Like for instance, talk be there for Ekombe. Big Ekombe junction where they go buy for Bakundusa. They bought more than 40 machines for there for one day. The military burner. I bet you that 40 machines so you know how many enter Amber. Or those who fit they enter Amber. And what I say it will be very difficult for the government to get the picking and forget the people because when the government will open hand, get a communication on ground, you will fit fish those picking them out. You will fit bring them out. You will fit talk to them, they understand and no go. You look like Cambe, that's a quite an example. Cambe no get that rubbish. Because the people will be able to stand up, to tell the picking and say, this thing, our what thing, this thing no can go nowhere. So I can make the government may understand, say waiting. The highest thing now for get a good communication on ground. Yes, because there are many people inside the government where they shit down, so they get proud today. Now they engineer all these things. Now why that way? I get one time for some people there. Why anyone want to hate me, hate Clovis, but talk the truth? People in my country, people them, my countryman, the king, or all black leg, le pa fanchin jumen where they be stand up for start make women to understand some kind of things there. For those some kind early age in 19 there. When they make the civilian population on today, where they don't understand, say, wait, this thing is mad. Now, what I say today, no, I'm not who could know one picking because of that people their own work. Because of sensitization, they sensitize the population, sensitize the people, make them for understand. So there's a way we can channel our problem. There is a way we can do things, not by violence. I give applause for them. It's not easy. It's not easy. For that one, I give them credit. I give them respect for stand up, for put their life at risk, for make many people don't understand, for cry for the people, for talk the atrocity we am by the committee for the whole Anglophone population. I give them thanks for that. I give them thanks for that. Now, what they look and say, wait, plenty people they use an advantage of this nonsense because they be saying they picking they will be angry enough. Me I tell you something. This boy they do this not me say they like him. Me I tell you the gospel truth. I be fighter. I was a fighter. I know where to be. I be ashamed myself when you call myself I'm a fighter. If I be no sin, something will be enough forever trespass. What a madness. Shame. Because I don't wait to do them. A big disgrace and shame for myself. Oh, thank God. Oh, thank God that they are alive today. Now, whether they want to make the government may understand, say the people on diaspora, they fail on the 1st of October 2018. That day, Ambazonian diaspora lose confidence on the fighters on ground. They lose trust on the fighters on ground. They lose their powers over the boys. May I tell you the gospel truth? Because everybody will be fed up. I will advise the government a little advice. For tell them the truth. With me, I will tell them. And like a Pekin will be there inside that team called Amber. With the tell out of experience and the reality we know. The secret for solve this thing, forget about diaspora. Forget about their not to make social media, they make that empty noise. Focus on the people on ground. Focus on the civilians on ground. Focus on the commoners on ground. When the cow on herself up, if you say you be this, that, I don't care. That day, I will ever get peace for this country. Because these people, they be angry, they be frustrated, they be confused. They don't even understand what they even do again. They don't even tire. The reality, people don't tire. Cameroon government need for mash fire, for sensitization, for talk with the people them on ground. Check say this way they have to get powers. I'll be one example. Kawa Yannick, Bertus Attention, Kingsley, Rado, Joel, Zambruta, Deco, the plenty of the subsidy center for Bamenda and Boya. It is shown as a way to diaspora no get no autonomy for ground zero. They make no noise. Because if the diaspora be get autonomy on for ground zero, over ground zero, this body for the give up for this thing, not for the surrender. But after all, we will be angry, say we carry the dirty things, say gun enter for bush, fight our government. We can realize, say upon all the investigation, the lies telling, the propaganda, everybody telling. We understand, say, Ambazonian be worse than the so-called people that be telling, say, Mogo fighter. Ambazonian be well corrupted, more corrupted than the government also Mogo fighter. That is the reality. We can realize all those things here. Now, I see most of we will turn back. Now, I say diaspora, their own strategy where they get them, now for destroy, for use them, seek asylum, for use them, create awareness, for they make their money. When they say we say una go do them, una go open fire population, me army shoot so that people will fall die. Una go come here to see them, una dress on army uniform, una go do the thing them, do say na army do. Because the one use them against the government. Because they realize the Cameroon government weak for communication. They say that's why the mash Cameroon government. The word una hate when a very simple thing. Very simple thing for someone in a twinkle of an eye. Now they only turn around and around. I say no. No. Our people are suffering. Our people are dying. I feel the pain that they are dying every day. But I get one good news after all this two way do happen. What will happen? The so-called United Nations, they tell us they can't give independence. They can't build houses them. The UNESCO don't bounce, they can't do it so. The very United Nations, it don't give budget for reconstruction for Northwest and Southwest. Now the good news that. But now I want to talk for you, my country people. They be burn my house for Kwakwa. They burn our own house for Kwakwa into arch. We get 2 houses. They burn one into arch. So when they boss us over level, whole thing now hold. Shifter, we rain for a shifter. But boss water because of atrocity. I lost 3 brothers there. For one day, for one chick, I lost about this children, my brother. I lost 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 brothers. Because of the Ambazonian madness, I don't lost for this struggle. For this madness, terrorism. Because of my own atrocities. My country people. They will tell you, say, wait, that budget don't get and say, wait, me reconstruct North and Southwest. May I tell you the secret? Amba no go be a house. And the reality that we go, Amba no go ever exist. Na scam. Ma tell na. Now for you to stand up, you denounce them. Now for you to stand up like individual, you fight against this nonsense. So that may that reconstruction may benefit. May they build their house, but they start for some place tomorrow. Because I tell now, there is nothing like independence. The very United Nations, they tell now every day they can, and then they give Cameroon government. They award them, I tell now. Even for America, where they go fight the Afghanistan war, the terrorism, you know what you want? They destroy a whole village, city, not like village, city, down. Now no matter where they, because they fight terrorism, I tell now. So even you will keep that part of your house, they get ready for burn the house into ash. You should don't quiet. Or whether they do amo, you do amo. Whether not for pressure, you do amo, or you do amo voluntarily, you support Amber. They get for burn the house into ash where you keep them for your corner. And you get for save yourself, for you for benefit for the reconstruction. I tell now the reality. You'll be a very stupid man for no follow the construction, for no benefit for that thing. Maybe if you try to build houses and back small. Become a tell now. Any person where don't die, he don't losses. And the rest that way they. How long continue to die again? I want to tell now say no. May everybody stand up, denounce this Amber nonsense. I want to live a free life. They construct your village, we'll start our life somewhere again. Because Amber na scam. And the rest that way they. I don't tell now say wait. Why the born Kwakwa? Why the born Kwakwa? Wait to make at the born Kwakwa. And the strategy where the bongo, why we say that strategy they ever find. Where the Cameroon government don't turn you turn back. Realize themselves say burning all those things and it radicalize speaking them. You don't use in a different format. A time for plenty generals them like the one for Anapa, Garol, Afik for Bamenda, the general for day. I really appreciate the good work where they do. For go for the field for talk with the people. They want to turn us something. Not be all village get network, and not be all village believe for military, because they don't instigate with the mentality of military some kind. We need for getting the trust, the love back for the people. Now what also waiting communication on ground will solve everything. Forget about diaspora. If we not feel say we want to go do different things, I tell us na the fire na fire, na the beep na beep. But we don't know say plenty people inside the country today. We even Clovis talk so the class have kill the Clovis self. Why the Clovis do so? I know. The day represent government, the day they hate them. Me I know. They don't give a damn. I don't care. I care about poor men they die every day. I don't care for you. I don't care. The rest is that way it is. My people, when I stand up to save when I say me they build a house and back. It is simple goodness that I can't tell now. Now I want to talk for the Amber boys and now. My brother, you and the carry gun, you talk to the kill your brother. You see, one go revenge. You and the carry gun. So they burn your house. You want to go revenge. I want to ask you, you carry that gun, you solve some problem, or you say increase the problem? The problem is wait, you increase the problem, you not solve the problem. Take as your mommy born at 2. You shoot your brother, they burn on the house. You get angry, go carry guns, you want to go fight. Fighting for that process, they shoot you, you die. Me, I ask you now, Chuchu, you lost this or you gain? You don't make your poor middle be now mother, you know, get motherless. You know, get, I mean, sorry, it already be the woman where you don't get no picking, nothing. You don't be a childless, so you don't make that man be childless way. You forfeit. This is no enter me. If you wrong way for some place, might be you work hard, you become a good person in future. You got erect a good structure for your mommy and better life. Then so you go carry that gun, you go enter bush. You enter bush, you soft waiting, nothing. And the process you still die. They will forget about you. I want to tell you, say my brother, you want to see carry that gun, so they be kill your brother, they be kill your sister, they be kill your mommy, they be burn your house, so you be angry. Think twice. How many years don't carry that gun? You don't solve something? No. And you do that, you go still die at any time. Check say, boy, I don't die. If you two die, wait till your mommy go lose your life. Wait till you go come for your mommy. Wait till you go be the future for your poor mommy. When you look up to now, maybe don't old. Sometimes you can be a turn up, be a better person tomorrow. A successful man tomorrow. You erect a good structure and better mommy alive. My brothers, the question now I can ask sooner. I'm about to say carry that gun, say you carry that gun so you be angry. You don't solve something? No. All that Anglophone become a longer throat. Support this thing. What's our day today? You don't give it independent. No, wait till it happen. You don't backfire or kill ourselves. Anglophone versus Anglophone. We need to even fight the La Republic. They go stand all the put and all the suffer them. Now our poor mommy them. We go for market, open fire for market. Now they run, chakara that in them. Now our poor Anglophone mommy them. Now Francophone man they suffer. No. We don't even care. Because of our longer throat. But brother, the more we think, we ask ourselves these questions, what they tell us so today. You will realize the way to play with it could be wrong. Turn a U-turn and save your life. Save your people their lives. My brother. I took an ask on that simple question. So, will we be angry? Yes. Will carry gun enter bush? You doing anything? No. No. We end up die every day. My petit frère be enter. My petit frère took a journey store. Doesn't make pass come out. Nobody don't die. I will fit die too. It will end. That was the end of the family. It will end. It will end. But fortunately, say God, this time say Clovis, you'll be alive. When I see me today, I talk for my brother. I want to just digress more for the point. I want to just make everybody may listen to me and may understand. My brothers them, my sisters them, my mommy them, my papa them. Me at the tell na leona pikin. I therefore here today. If me Clovis I die for una sake. I die because I love una. I die because I want to save una lives. I die because I get the love for una. I will feel wrong in Nigeria. I say go remain me. I come. I decide how I look at my people die every day. I decide to take the risk and save una lives. I risk my life without no payment, no money to pay me. I never ask no man any dime. I don't ask no man for any award. Because of say I love my people. Because of say I care for them. When I look around for Francophone zone, Douala, Yaoundé, and I see my sister doing an Anglophone, they brought on a prostitute. For 500. Risking their life. Any man picking sleep with them. Because they want to survive. Because they want chop. Because they want to make ends meet. When I sit down, I see how my brother they suffer. My son they suffer. It pays me a lot. You go for Nigeria, you see how our sister wrote on a different thing. They don't turn. a prostitute. Find picking them a good future. They do all those things not because they like her. And because of frustration. And because there is no means for them. After all, my brother them. My so-called Anglophone people. When they sit back, they look all these things happen. The rap on our hand them. Now only they die every day in the hands of Ambazonian terrorism. Because they chop flop, then that they frustrate. People that don't turn all orphans, motherless, fatherless, childless. They don't get nothing. When I she done, I get every reason for sacrificing my own life because I will be a victim even for the scam. And most of them, they run because of our atrocities. It pays me a lot. I pass for Douala here. I see my own sister. My sister don't listen to my papa. My own Anglophone sister. They mess around. See, they can't mind sleep with him because of 500. After the guy saw the Anglo fools. Even the so-called Francophone, they can say they turn our sister for Douala Yaoundé, they use an Iraq. Because of our stupidness. Because of our long throat. Because of our languor and selfishness. It leads me to this place where they today. We don't ever sit back, have a conscience. We don't ever look back at that picking them. See the Ama boy for Bush. They kill them every day. Those children, they never don't ever do those things. I was one of them. It pays a lot to see your brother die. It's not easy. They don't frustrate for that book, frustrate. They need peace and love for show them. Sincerity for show them. For transform their brain back. Make the reason. When I get the obligation for dua, but when I call on ourselves our leaders, parliamentarians and the lawyers them, teachers them. What I don't do, they will see Clovis. I'm standing up for my people. And it is sick for publicity. I put my hate here in my face, it be risky. Many of you now they say when I say can't find Clovis kill him. I don't get problem. If they send you say can't kill Clovis, can't kill him. If it go give you independence, do him. But no sense you come if you still die for road. And the worker for road peaceful. Go meet any place I want go. I don't get problem with nobody. Because I don't owe no man anything. And no, I don't hurt people. I don't apologize. I don't owe nobody. I dey fight for my brothers and sisters. They die for bush every day. Now for them, we I stand for. I need to work for Cameroon government. If it is school today, with me, I don't want to turn back for look how I feel upgrade myself. Maybe now I can work for government. No, if the government they pay, I don't feel know the person. Somewhere, somebody. If my unborn papa reject me, I tell my life story. Disown me. From childhood, I never ever feel the love of a father, nor a mother. To be able to grow up, I not ever thief anything. I was a very hardworking young man struggling to survive. Before Ambazonian can pull away for the kind of mess. My brothers them, my sisters them. Now check them, ask yourself, which access where a comesako you get them for year? You don't get nothing. Even me, I be lost. Bought my 2 Okada then. Lost 6 brother then. Lost house. But I still turn my back today, so this thing is rubbish. My brothers, my sisters, will stand up to save ourselves. Because we hope for the government, na lie. Na lie. Now we start amber. Don't think about the simple truth. The same will make our area ungovernable. I'm bad destruction. I'm bad remember I lost everything for my life. A little bit about me, you know me. People don't know me Clovis. I be a hardworking young man. 2 bikes on my own. I feel able to control millions. At least 1 million for my account on my own. But today I lost everything. I get exhibit and I talk for more. Now in this. Now me that, my cocoa farm that. My cocoa farm that. Now in that. Before stroke, I be plant them. What's I did today? Inside bush. Tapam I will get waiting for ground zero. Nothing. I did better passing. I pass it for all style. I get this stem of cocoa on my own. Even though I need to go to school plenty. But I be struggle, be a hardworking young man for say my future man not suffer. I be the plant cocoa for my age. But those like cocoa they inside bush, inside grass. I don't even know the fate of the farm. I don't even know the fate of the farm because of the terrorism. The embargo put me inside. My brother them. At the bare buna. My country people. May all we will stand up like one people to fight against the thing. I'm going to tell you a little secret, I don't know. Ambazona say make the area ungovernable. Now why that will get thief people like it take them today? So they don't, as they don't say make the area ungovernable. They don't take and answer the thief make their money. Kill people anyhow. I'm going to tell you something. If the Amba boy kill you, your papa kill your papa. Case go nowhere. They say make the area ungovernable now. Yes! He burn your house, burn the papa house. Ma tell now. Look at me. What the petty things on or the beep na beep. Ma tell you something na rubbish. If anyone carry gun, you know if you carry gun, you don't get gun. Most of them open them people that get gun, the Bible keep them. When they can wipe them, they sleep for the no man time. Ma tell you, case go nowhere. He don't kill so don't do it. Nothing no. You don't surrender. You don't surrender tomorrow you get a better life. They don't die. Ma tell you something. They say make the area ungovernable, may all man face the result for that make the area ungovernable. I'm going to tell you something. That time upon I keep petting, I'm about the call you. If he call you, he say okay, those are the way to sharpen that collapse. I'm going to tell you, we want people to pop, he go run. All they go run. They make them up. I tell you, say, when he burn your house, burn his house. He burn your house, burn your house. He touch your brother, touch your own. He gets that kill his own. He can get to wipe him. Plus, he say wipe or he. Case go nowhere. Ma tell now. The elder relies on herself the better. Ma tell now. If you kill Amba boy, case go no place. If he kills, so case go outside. No human being will do you anything. Ma tell them no fine. The time don't reach. That rubbish don't too much. We don't make people who can enter inside. They make that money. We make million. And Nigeria man. Person only by the Kayaka. Gabonese them. Opopo. Bon Aroba them. Sifonte. 9304. No people that people enough for over small. They don't use an advantage to take and make that money to rest on the year. People le Widikum. They do it. They stand up. Take Amba Power with 3 AK. Nakam Gian Kunkum. Ma tell now for the other village too. For Mufako. For other also division. The whole 2 Amba. They knock and kill and bury them. Case go nowhere. They free their other one run. When they pass. Ma tell now. No people want to call a liver. The elder relies on herself, the better. Ma tell you the simple truth. We all stand up now, stop the nonsense. So today, all about diaspora, I don't understand, I don't digress plenty. I want to make a understand. Say, all of that want to say now, Una the year say born of Kwakwa, you don't know what to be Kwakwa, the hell watana, you don't even know all those things. They make na empty noise. They make na propaganda and noise for nothing. For nothing. You don't even know play Kwakwa, they don't even know. You don't even know Kwakwa village. And I want to tell us a small story for Kwakwa before this show. Kwakwa have been a place where a Kes village. I tell you now. Kwakwa have been a Kes village. For Kwakwa, due to the salon, Mama digress more for a life because she ma educate now. You don't know what to be Kwakwa. I be born and bred because Kwakwa grow for Kwakwa. Go permanent for Kwakwa for Combone Group 1. Mr. Esong, I've been my master. We've been a Bangwa man, Mr. Esong. So, we're going to talk now, but you know what I talk? Kwakwa be na a very cursed village before since ma tell no matter that small story. Kwakwa na a village where they under Nake, na Nake, the control Kwakwa. The Nake village get Kwakwa, that land na Bakundu people they get that land. So now Kwakwa be made up of strangers. Mostly Northwest and the flocks of Kwakwa, so that they get Kwakwa. I tell you a little story. Kwakwa been at the first place where the Saloma, your last loss, your toto, your private, you lost for Kwakwa. That very Kwakwa. The born person, the Saloma has my last loss. That person is Saloma, my last loss. It's stand up with that Kwakwa. Where they born the person alive. Put it fire for skin, born as Saloma, my last loss. The first village, with that Saloma, the last loss, na Kwakwa. Evil. What they tell you now? What people na curse place ever since? That Kwakwa village, they be get problem between the Northwestern and them and the Bakundu people because they be minority. Why they be majority? Why the Bakundu people be minority? When a Bongwana Nake. When I say Nake, no one has Nake Koweti. Nake village deny this thing. Say no one made their picking themselves. They come for that fight. Let's say Nake village be preserved. No one born has Nake. When Nake they corner Kwakwa after Kwakwa na Nake, you no touch us on Nake. But the born bole, man they tell na what it happen. No one man they educate una very well. Muna know what it happen within the scenes. That Kwakwa now yeah. I want just tell you like a story. Maybe don't happen. Northwest man will be there as some power for that Motambi Road. That's the plenty. After somebody go for up that house. We don't be na Northwest man. This graph they call on wait self they call on the graph on wait that tribe them. I don't know if Shindo na wait. The man to say one be chief for Bakundu my land. It brings serious problem. Serious problem. So the woman they come up for like empty last match life for customary court for Common Town. Because customary court therefore after corner secondary school for Common opposite. Customary court we hospital for corner they might know and fine. We that school for corner around that area. So that and Madame Julie Leonga na be the chief judge for that court. Will be born in own house to way picking go kill someone for about that one. So now when that people they match. That woman they match try for that village on a lie. How manage they will give person land? You for your area, you want Grafima, you want be chief for my village. It be serious problem. They curse that problem. They curse that land. Yes, they curse that Kwakwa before this struggle. I agree to that this because mommy they work at empty land. Life story. As for they know what I talk today. Empty land from Nake to Kwakwa. Mommy them, be mommy that will be the house and naked. Now Balok, be true and so. Balok. When I say Kwakwa so no. Kwakwa na very Balok village, cursed village. When I say no, all to the owner, they back for that village. I don't even know to be Kwakwa. Because too much rituals. We don't overtake people for that place. A banja. Now man, I remember don't cut the idea for Kwakwa before the struggle. Cut people the idea for some promotion they go work. Cut them before the struggle. Man don't know history, no, even know him. When I say Nake be preserved because wait, Nake. And that village, they get that land, so they curse Kwakwa mommy. That's what they do, and so it be like say be the work for that picking their head them. It be the work for head that time. That land, the spirit for that land. We say any people go for that village, be a bad blood. That time, me say you know the reason. My brother them so nice. So here is in Kwakwa, that village, a very cursed village. When I say diaspora, their lifestyle that they be make up for we. After all the things with Kwakwa, they go for Munyenge trouble. For big Munyenge, sorry, in a Munyenge trouble, because Munyenge trouble, they big Munyenge, for big Munyenge. They go carry that bed atrocities there for they me to start born the area too. Radicalize plenty because that's why they say more people do am because they get plan. So when they do am, so it go make plenty people go enter the struggle because they say Cameroon government weak for communication. Now why they say plenty people for Amba today. So I just can't for tell now why they born Kwakwa and wait you get for do. So papa mommy, wait you get for take am for your house today and say waiting. No say if you keep Amba for your house, you bear, you see the result. Anything where you see am, take am because you keep am. You free Amba, you enjoy your life. Reconstruction the camp. When I receive am, when they build because Amba na fake. You know, ever be normal in one house. How many of the people don't die? They think about them. Now they are very free talk and I don't keep Ivo, no kid, not them. They tell me say I can't people can live with them. Me and I see no awareness for Cameroon government, no result, nothing. And I see no compensation for them. And then they work with them, that they work for my people. Not because say countryman, country people are all we, not be na one man. I love I love my people so much. That's why I prefer to sacrifice my life for them. So you will think about glory for anything concerning you. So I just make it clear, make people understand the reason which it happen. I don't turn a brief story about Kwakwa. I will talk it tomorrow. If only me. Talk plenty for my head. Tell them more story about other areas which it happen. But after all, live on at the start, after live at the other also fit. Without divine, they don't die. Without poker, the very shallow money, the bube, we be commander for Kwakwa. They cut in a part, bury him. Cut the head, bury him. Cut the hand, bury him. Part say go hook up. Slaughter the meat when the Amber versus Amber. Think that kind of evil. They tell me say independent to the fighter. A fighter, a commander, the first commander for inside Indian and Meme was Ebube. Shallow money, the carpenter, the air we use so cutting a part. Puka Mizare or leg the or the wiper. Look at the mission, the wiper. Amber versus Amber, they wanna tell we say we want to fight for those people. My brother, that just can't tell us they wanna understand the dynamic of what will happen. We no man know the fool you, the call water, never know the water. No, if you know the ritual people don't go through, will take the water. No, if you know just talk to you, if you sabi. Don't make empty. No, I just say I'm Amazonian child. When I sit down, I think about the lost for our people. After all, also they giving away special status. What if we glass together one, we manage them, we take them. Now our stupidness and dullness. We did talk about it in the future. If the kind of thing happen, make the government know say for burn houses them, it radicalize more youth them. In the future, when anything will happen, this thing they will not put them in place. Say this kind of thing they will lead to this thing. So I tell that the reality, and I want to just make one again for the government may understand something. The reality where it is. So man, the agriculture say why it be say Okada people they flop for Amber? Because that's when they ask me. I will answer that question. Make my own government understand. Why you see Okada people they be easily for manipulator put them for struggle for Amber and say wait. Now the treatment for the military people there. Mostly police, gendarmerie for road where they control book them for motor machine. Ma tell now. I be told last time. At the top point I say wait, make the government understand. I made the big people for up. They know say now. When this thing not be in place in the future time now, war will see the come all time. Ma tell now the reality. Because when you meet a policeman for road, you meet a gendarme for road, intimidate you very badly. It just want money. You don't even control nothing. You want to talk na problem. So they begin they don't get so many investigations for our basic police then they over wicked them. We meet up them for road. If you carry police, if you pass the control one, if you go work for that road for 1 year, one day come to the say power and don't get 500 for give you control. You know what it will tell you? Park that machine. You are 130,000. Other my children have waiting. It make that people they get knowledge, bad mentality towards the military. Say wait that way the thing start. They get total hatred for military. Gendarmerie, on go say plenty gendarmerie they die. Even they might die for that control, so that they be targeted now. We go waiting. That very man don't disturb liver for control. If you don't seize liver by machine, take it 50,000 for no good reason. So lift that when liver enter that struggle say confirm. Mo go do am. He decide what go do am. And he target that only that particular gendarme finish with he because that man been a very bad man. When I look, I say plenty of them that be targeted killing for their houses them. So one of the business they live their life because wait, they be get a good they live for the people. Me as a woman told a life story. If that woman from Bonge feel recognize that gendarmerie, I mean police from Bonge, even tell me for control, what they for road, are they struggle or block road. He come when a police woman be get for die that day. But na say wait, that was sit that woman pity for you because she was a nice woman. She was very nice even when I be ride Okada. So that way the car pass. I just told her like a story with that girl that already finished the part for me, but made it understand something. That way the car pass for I see that woman there for control. We are boys, we don't more than we 20 for wood. If the car see, hey, if you come that you motor come on bonge, the can go come, you can jam for road. You know, say I'm at the road. See, I'm still man shake a press it. That way see me recognize me. I want to recognize it. Fine, see that policewoman. I know it too well. See that policewoman. It's seriously shake a press hand. I drive for corner. I look inside, I say, madam, I tell you, touch you, I'm gonna shift your corner. I say, madam, say yes. I say, pretend for your like, say no. You know, you know be minute to man, no shake. When they ask you support, no move 5,000. No try move 5,000. Because you move 5,000, show you get money. Give 500 or 1,000. You don't hear, you say, I say no fear. Don't man look me so, I say the shape. I tell you, just go. Me, I know if spill your blood. Me, I know if make you die. Because you're a nice woman. And we know they after you. We get our people. Because at the beginning of gendarmerie, we are target. And I'm in gendarmerie. Before I'm one come. Be our target. Matter tell the reality. May they no play problem. This is that common way. It reach to the level. We say, the picking will be easily. For put them for butch. For digress some more. I tell that woman, I say, mama, go you. In the normal, I'm talking about back because normal colleague before understand that woman. Now only me have been recognized. So if you woman for die that, I have to kill that woman because I be no be. So I tell you, say me go. Don't man go. Go take today. I say any play with today see me the glass where Papa go thank you for that boy. Because today that woman got many picking. 1 and 4 5 picking for the kid go GBHS for Kumbade for back station. The kid go school for day. What be not the woman too? I know he picking if I know all has will stay where they come on camp. He go Kumbade go stay on back GBHS for house. You never ever know the same person that come all the way. I will fit go and with that woman. But she was very nice. Despite the fact that the police, he never use a position and a work for intimidate people. He never use them like a weapon against the other weaknesses. Because people like me, I was a poor boy. And they get normal for fight for me. When I be angry, we don't suffer. We bring our small life there, but make our ends meet. But at that period of time, when you be sincerity, many people they behave some way. Let me have telling my story. Man, tell me Mokongo, share Mokongo, tell me 25,000. Play him today, now gendarme, he hear me today up to now. 25,000 way. He make I take that machine for me, but I don't buy my own machine. I work on that man. You know what I pass through. So I tell them say no. Oh, now advice what the giam. Say no. Who no say no. We get away. That time I will be very dull and stupid. And then be get away for pass my information. And then be no say, if some kind of thing happen, if you go report the policeman or gendarme, and then be know me. Because I give you to so I never ever know me get that kind of idea. So be able for confuse me and the kind of video for 270 for fool me for enter struggle. I be believe on me and that anger in my mind I don't nest of a military as a whole. I tell you something. Plenty the okada picking they don't nest evil mind for the mostly gendarmerie police. I just tell na the gospel too because army no get problem because army need be for control. Now all of the things that we say army for control. Mostly gendarmerie police. Now the big people they for understand say wetin, make them know say wetin, they get direct communication with the picking them on ground. For make the people they make them feel at home, for make them feel comfortable because wetin, you know a man say you be policeman, you meet me for control. Despite the fact I don't get some kind of book, they will check as well you survive. And the part of control or take home, me take money, intimidate me. Up to today, I tell you now, it still happen for road. And now say most of the people don't be sensitized already for carry gun go for bush, a very bad thing. Like, we don't forget people like, I told you, some man tell something, what any man like I don't like people they know, like my country people, like my countryman Igwe, Franklin Jume, we should start dating them early. Say papa give una cafe, una chop. You know yeah. And also when I get the love for people, and then they seek na award, and then seek na say me recognize me they pay una. Made on a good work when I do one. Me na only God will pay you. God no go pay you. No fit do no 5 round, no fit pay you for what you don't do. Because what you don't do, people the way they call themselves leaders, they be do it. What else they be incompetent? I be angry now we are leaders then. All the parliamentary mayor, the me Clovis, I be angry when I because now push you for bush. Now una push you for bush. Chief them all na push you for bush, gonna be fail. We stand for the people. Even though you are like big threat, if we can stand for air, how the diaspora use Facebook, we to use that Facebook. Tell the picking the simple truth. But you make the picking the lost confidence for you, lost trust for you, looking like their enemy, come after you. You get it that way there. So I don't make the people understand the way this part. You see, Okada people they engage plenty. Because I tell you, Okada man be exposed plenty. Because it is self public. It meet up plenty people the story. It encounter plenty challenges them. So Okada man when you look at the suffer, it's not easy. My brother, for under sun, rain, mud, Okada so man go to prap take money for you. Intimidate you on tongue. I go lock yourself. You can never get voice to talk. Sometimes I tell you, sometimes it is the business way. I the one say me we will understand. Because I no play the thing that come away the next man. Because me I dey tell na lie you. Me I be outspoken, I tell you the truth. Because if you not target this thing, then a lie. In the future, time this thing will happen. May the caution most people for control. Ma tell you something. No me say you carry that khaki, you over there, you know they. People get hurt when you no get that. I just say we got to put was someplace. No use. Now we do want to advise for everybody. No use your powers where you get them, intimidate others. You don't know tomorrow. Power never last for someone forever. Today na your turn. Tomorrow will be na someone's own turn. Think about it so that power be taken away from you. What it will be of you. How you go feel. But as I say, this thing, who can avoid the enter again, flop so. Instead of fight. They flop all the now. Oh, tell my turn now. I don't know if you want all kind of people now amber. Plenty. If you know how God is support them, and you know them in person, and the rest that way they. As I mean, I for you say Kumba, you eme okada pang no. Hey, somebody don't know me. Somebody don't know me. Somebody don't know me. I know Kumba from A to Z, all Benny corner, all. So when I see somebody talk say Amber one fight, they don't laugh. Now because I'm a brother them. I want to make the government understand say wait, this dynamic way it happen for the boys. They will say wait, this speaking they will be able easily for manipulate because wait, they will be angry. Not the people don't be angry, don't be frustrated. You need to show them love. The love is waiting for communicate on ground level. First time you see army, the camp people they run. Now people they see army they camp, they see army they run. We mean say wait, you get for sensitize that population. The population will make them understand. So I just digress plenty for enlighten and for understand. Say wait, you will talk say Okada people they flow for Amber. That the reason that we see plenty Okada people they for Amber. That is the reason. And the truth that way they because they be feel like say no, they marginalize them. They be feel like say they not be welcome. They feel like say they some kind of thing. So now I the one ask all we would enter bush will be marginalized. Yes, that is true that. Amber don't do nothing for we. Amber na the worst thing ever happened for his life. And when I say people like we decide to turn back. But it's the time when anyone want turn back for Amber, Amber take his enemy, Amber send it back. So thank you very much, my country people. I believe that today, when I don't get everything with me, I don't tell now why the born Kwakwa, wait to cost and the born Kwakwa, what's like Kwakwa day, and wait to get for do for help ourselves. I believe I don't tell now. So everybody put that one for in mind and know what for do. Thank you very much, my country people. We will see another day where I will create. I don't was any live broadcast without thanking our Igwe. Papa, I will talk some more for you. May God really bless you for what you don't do. Not be I say you go give me something, no. But now say just my life where you don't save them. Just for me for make me for understand say wait, if I be angry, they say where I can let my problem. No mean for true violence. That alone it means a lot. Thank you for everything what you do for our people, for my brothers. Then we thank you very much. And me, I want to thank all the black legs we're there for Facebook. I thank you very much. May God bless you now. Give you more strength, power, and love for someone to continue for share this message. For continue for someone to talk with you and a brother them. For help them. May I tell you something before I go. For tell all this one for all the ex-combatants them too. For anybody where if he say he use disarmament say want make money. May I tell you something. I not be interested for money. Just the fact my brother they alive, I'll be very happy. I don't know tomorrow. Sometimes my brother will say and so why I say don't be minister. Sometimes they pass with people motor for road. If he see me, hey Clovis, he break palm. He say, how are you, young man? I say fine. He say, can enter, hop in. He give me a right. Nobody knows tomorrow. No one knows my future. Tomorrow. He give me a right. Tell say, hey bro, I like W so you. I say, papa, that's why they take this small money, take and start lie. Yeah. Now so he did. You know not tomorrow. The person who is save him today, if he turn for be your glory tomorrow, you don't know the thing. And no say any single soul where you save them, you never save na Cameroon government. You never save na Pobia. All your family they fine. You never save na no means that they get money. That people they go school for abroad. You don't save that they are poor brother if you die for that bush for nothing. You don't save that they are poor mommy way they are brother for go kill you say black leg for nothing. You don't save your sister for being raped or for being brutalized by the so-called boys. But tell you waiting, we are right, we are duty, and for save your body alive. And I tell you something, we no find something that all Amber go drop it go. Now they release that way. Not be everybody go drop him. That is simple truth. Because they can't go drop him. Born arm robber. No faith! Enough faith! Because they see money, they get for give kum without no soup, mix with stone and gravels. Because they born arm robber. And they release that way. The few one of you move, they'll match fire. Or you don't find a whistle stand up, wipe out. We'll free ourselves. Thank you very much.